What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I do my red lips, and I usually have two different ways of doing them, and I'm gonna share with you all my tips and tricks. As you can see, this is already the finished look for one of the ways I like to do it. I think it looks pretty okay in my opinion, but it does look a little bit different. Partly it's probably because my cupid's bow is a little bit swollen. I got my period like 2 days ago, so I actually have a pimple right in the center of my cupid's bow. I mean, that's just amazing, but there's nothing I can do about it. I thought about postponing this video, but then I just figured this happens to everybody, and you know, that's life. So yeah, this is how I'm doing my red lips today. I hope it doesn't look too weird because I keep looking at it and I think it looks weird in my perspective, so hope it still looks okay on camera. But yeah, honestly, the swollen part does not affect my technique and the tricks that I want to show you guys, so I'm still filming this. By the way, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, I'm trying out a new lighting. Hope this looks okay. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. To start off, I usually just put on some lip balm. It can be anything like Vaseline or honestly whichever brand that you usually use to moisturize your lips. However, for me, putting on lip balm before I actually apply the red lipstick actually makes it less long lasting. So if you want your lipstick to last all night or all day, then probably don't put lip balm on before, because I don't know why, but it just doesn't work as well. But for me, since my lips are pretty dry and I usually just need my lipstick to stay on for a few hours, then I'm gonna opt for putting some lip balm before I apply the lipstick. The red lipstick that I am using is the one from Fenty Beauty, the one that everyone is using. I honestly love it so much. It has been my go-to red lipstick for almost 2 years now, so yeah. The first way that I want to show you guys is a more casual and almost messy and really effortless type of red lip. I'm just gonna dab some product on my lips and then blend it out with my pinky. To use my other fingers to clean up anywhere where I think it's just too messy. And it's always nice to have some tissue on hand to make sure you don't look like a clown after you finished. If you want, you can definitely use Q-tip, but I'm just lazy and I usually just use my hands. And of course, the trick with the finger to make sure your lipstick doesn't get on your teeth. I like to do it multiple times because honestly, you can see after the second time there's still a little bit of product, and I like to do it until there's no lipstick on my finger to make sure that my lipstick won't transfer to my teeth. But let's face it, sometimes as careful as we are about this, it still happens, which is such a pain, but I honestly don't know another way to make sure that it doesn't happen. This is the first casual red lip that I usually do. For the second way that I like to do it is a much more defined and precise way. I usually just do what I did with you guys, like just smudge it all over my lips. And if I'm going someplace really dressy, or I just feel like I wanna, want my lips to be really defined, then I would just take a regular red lip liner. This is from Makeup Forever in the shade 712. It's called Either Cherry. I'm just gonna line my lips with it. I don't usually overline because I kind of feel like the size of my lips is pretty good and I really like it. But if you want, you can definitely overline it slightly to make your lips even more defined. Another tip, try and make sure your lip pencil isn't as sharp as mine because I literally just sharpened them I think like 2 days ago, and they're still a little bit too sharp, so the color is a lot harsher than it should be. But you guys get the picture. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. Did I just completely use the mirror to, like, can you even see? I'm so sorry. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway. Now see, this is what happens if you forget to clean your fingers before you try to clean the edges. It happens way too often actually. Usually I just kind of wipe it away, but if there's still a little bit of redness, you just cover it with some concealer and everything will be fine. You guys can probably tell that the color is slightly darker with the lip liner because other than just like outlining my lips, I like to put some in the center as well, just to make sure the color blends in really well and it won't be a really harsh line, because you know sometimes you see photographs that really 90s look. I'm sure some people can carry that, but I definitely cannot, so I tend to avoid that. And yeah, let me check. Are there lipstick on my teeth? I don't think so. Okay, so this is the finished look. Alright, so that's all for this video. If you guys like it, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be a new video coming every Saturday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Until next time, God bless you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!